And it's funny, happy Tuesday. Oh my goodness, you guys, what a difference a day makes. I'm pretty much over my cold now. Yesterday, you know how when you get a cold, there's like the lead up and then you have a really bad day and then you wake up and you feel pretty good. That is the day I am at. I am so thankful and joyful that my cold is now improving. I got my tea. Oh my gosh, we have so much to talk about. Oh, where do I start? So, sale of the century going on. There are a lot of sales going on. There are new candles. The train is now online. We're going to talk about that. And thank you to Tess, Life Inside the Page. I'm going to send you over to her blog because we got to talk about holiday laundry detergent. Oh my goodness, I am like freaking out about this. So let's start with today's sale. So 2 days only, online only. That's the interesting thing. I don't know if you can do buy online, pick up in store. Someone will have to post that below. I never do that. But online only, we have got select, no, it's all hand soaps and Wallflower fragrance refills are $3.50. So a lot of the new Christmas soap, ice cinnamon rolls, 'tis the season. Look, I even painted my nails today. I was feeling that good. $3.50. Body care, select body care, buy three, get three. But you know what? They're still doing the 60% off, so that's actually a better deal than the buy three, get three. 3-wick candles. We have new candles. That's really where the good deal is. So, new candles. Check it out. This is actually, I have this one. This is the Perfect Christmas. Oh yeah. Thank goodness I can still smell. Oh my gosh. So in this style, we have the Perfect Christmas under the Christmas tree, which is fabulous. Sugared Snickerdoodle, hot cocoa and cream. I'm doing an order today. I got to get myself that hot cocoa and cream. And then we also have this other collection that kind of looks like, it's like snowflakes, little patterns there. We have Snowy Coconut Frost. I think that one's new. Is that, oh no, do we have that one last year? I got to check on that. Snowy Coconut Frost. We have Cinnamon Spiced Vanilla. I saw that in the store the other day. Christmas cider. Oh my gosh, that one smells amazing. It kind of smells like cinnamon chewy candy. That one's wonderful. It's a snowflake pattern. Iced winter balsam. And then we have, I think there's only 3 in there. Oh no, Fireside. Fireside is also part of, oh, and Holiday. Boy, these are all mixed up, even though I sorted. And then of course we have the, cinnamon sugared pecans in the same jar as the raspberry thumbprint. I was wondering if there was more in that collection. Oh, I got to get that one too. I got to start adding stuff to my cart. Then free shipping with any $50 purchase with the code TREAT. So good stuff going on. Let me click on hand soap real quick here to see if they added any new holiday hand soap. Sort new arrivals. Oh, we have Luminous now in the hand soap. Let's see. Oh, Snowy Coconut Frost under the Christmas tree. These are all wallflowers, by the way. The Cookie Butter Truffle, by the way, is wonderful in the hand soap. I'm not seeing a lot of new hand soap. We just have the ones from before, but that's exciting. So then tomorrow, it is funny because I thought this was today. I'm going to put a screenshot up. Tomorrow, and you can layer stuff in, all the lip care is going to be $3.95 online only, so start your list. That's actually a good deal, especially if you like the lip scrubs. I thought that was going on today, but there's a lot of sales going on. Then, of course, you can layer in some of that 60% off stuff, which is an exceptionally good deal. Like if you want to get a Vampire Blood fragrance mist, $6.78, although it was a better deal the other day. Let's see here, 60% off. You know what? They mixed everything in, so it's hard to tell. Anyway, there's a lot of 60% off. Okay. So then, oh my gosh, we got to talk about this. Oh, and like I said, the train is online. I love my train, by the way. I got to say, I love it. Okay. By the way, in the next video, we're going to talk about the new aromatherapy that I'm kind of wondering if it's joyful. We're gonna talk about that in the next video, the Northern Brights. But I'm going to wait on that one. Okay. Holiday laundry detergent, you guys. I just went to Tessa's blog. The link is always below on my page. I want to send you over to her blog so she gets the traffic. She has so much wonderful stuff that she shows us, and I want you all to move over there. So, holiday laundry detergent. Literally, I still haven't tried this yet. This is the Fabric Care Detergent, Lavender Vanilla. You know what? I don't even care if this gives me a rash because you know what? I want my clothes to smell like Twisted Peppermint. Seriously, I am freaking out. Holiday laundry detergent is coming. Norwegian Pine, Fresh Snowfall, Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel, White Birch, and Winter Candy Apple. I literally cannot believe we are going to have Twisted Peppermint and Vanilla Bean Noel in a laundry detergent. I am totally trying this. It better not make me itch because I just don't even care anymore. Wallflower bulbs testing coming soon. Floating petals, wrapped in cashmere, cedar cabin, whipped honey and vanilla. I'm like, oh my goodness. Ivory vanilla, cinnamon apple cider, and nightfall nor. And then some single wick candles that were shown up in test. Chocolate covered orange. I'm like, yes. Juicy orange slices, creamy milk chocolate, sweet sugar crystals, Mary Macadamia, which is warm cookie, white chocolate, maple glazed walnuts. Now we're talking with the bakery. Sweet holiday cheer, sugared apricot, drizzle of honey, and white nectarine. Mountain snowdrift, silent night, and Christmas Eve embers. Yeah, looks like more is coming. So I'm excited. I'm super excited. Tess updates her blog nearly daily. And then, of course, we have that new Drinks and Bakery, which includes like the Candy Cane Colada and the Clausmopolitan. I'm like, yeah, there's a lot of neat stuff coming. And then, of course, we've got all of the new body care on the way. I am kind of testing this out a little bit here. Of course, these two smell, I mean, Winter Candy Apple smells exactly the same. Vanilla Bean Noel, to me, smells a lot stronger this year. So I'm excited about that. So anyway, amazing day for sales. Check everything out. And I will be back in a little bit. We're going to talk about, what is it called? It is called Northern Brights. That looks interesting. Anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.